Hi everyone, Dolly here. I was working full time as a video editor. I left my job in January 2020 because I wanted to start my own post production studio. But it was difficult for me to find clients due to the pandemic. So I started studying how to find clients and learn marketing. And that's when Roota's ad showed up in Instagram. And I started following her and attended the free webinar in June. I enrolled in the course in August 2020 and began with no prior knowledge of marketing. I went through the course and began implementing each step one by one, such as improving my LinkedIn and Instagram profiles, as well as my Instagram studio profile, being active in Facebook group, LinkedIn group. I landed my first international video editing client in September for $650. Today I'm working with two existing clients and helping some of my other video editing friends with some extra work. Also, I'm working on my own website for video editing, which I intend to launch in July 2021. And from September 2020 to April 2021, I've made around $5,490 in revenue. In last 6 months, I have learned a lot about myself. I mean, I'm speaking differently, my body language is different, my confidence is different. I've always wanted to be my own boss and one day be able to make my parents and family proud. Today, finally, I can tell that they are proud of me and my accomplishments. In addition to highlight my positive outcomes, I recently gifted myself with a brand new MacBook Air. My recommendation is simply to enroll in the course, because if someone like me who had no prior um, knowledge of marketing can do well, I'm confident that even you can do and begin your journey as a freebie and be your own boss. So, yeah, thank you.